It's time for juicy cocktails while we grill and chill and enjoy some fresh recipes on the BodinePot Fresh Summer Series. Guys, I'm so happy. My name is Bodine Victoria. Welcome back to my kitchen, and we're making some homemade tamarind lemonade. So we're going to start with our pitcher. We're going to take some brown sugar, put it inside the pitcher along with some lemon juice. Then we're going to mix that around to break the sugar down and use room temperature water to help dissolve that sugar dead good. Now you could have it like this, but guess what? We need a tablespoon of grated ginger. Put in an infuser, add your ice to the pitcher, and rub that chocolate mint in your hand to release the juicy oils. Next, we are going to put in our lemon slices for the look, and you are going to dissolve 4 tablespoons of tamarind base with 1 cup of water and add that to this pitcher, and we are gonna stir it little bit and let it steep for an hour, and you got a delicious tamarind lemonade to help you when it's hot outside and you're hanging out your white sheets. That's it, that's all. And after you do all that good work, don't let any and everybody dig up in your pot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Check us out on TikTok, we're BodinePot, on YouTube, and our website.